Alright, so this is how you create a Google Classroom. To start off, you want to be on the website first of all, and you want to go up here to this plus sign. You want to click that, and you want to go down here to create class. And if you want, read the notice. And then you want to type in, the class name. And for tutorial purposes, I'm going to put tutorial. Section, I don't really know what to put in here for now. I think you can put it so you have your name as a teacher, and the subject being, English. And even if it doesn't come up on here in the list, you can always type in your own subject. The room classroom it's in, C6. Yeah, let's put tutorial, section, subject, teach, so why not? And room, G2, create. And yeah, you have your class ready. And then right here, the class code is what the students are going to put in to join your class. If you want, you can select a theme or upload your own photo. And then if you go up to settings, you can always change the name of the class, change the name of the class description, and all this information. You can change what the students can do on the page. You can even do this stuff with the class code. And then, yeah. Let's close out of that. And then what else? Classwork. Yeah, basically, you can create your own classwork. So like, let's say you have an assignment that you've assigned to the students. You can create that. Put in a name for it, put in what the students have to do, set a due date, and set a topic, and how many points the students will earn from it. This is Google Calendar. So like on my Connect Calendar, it's like that. And this is a new account, so this is why I'm getting all these new pop-ups. This is a class drive folder. So I believe the share drive of the class. And the people, if you go in here, you can see what students are in the classroom. And yeah, that's basically it. And then let's say we go back to the home page. Let's say you want to join the class. If you're a student, you would click join class and type in the code. Yeah, that's basically it.